Hey, health enthusiasts, want to unlock the secrets of longevity and stay vibrant into your 90s? You're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the ultimate diet guide to help you maintain excellent health for decades to come. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about daily vitamin and mineral requirements. Here's a quick rundown. For vitamin A, aim for 700 to 900 micrograms per day. You can get this from sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, and liver. Vitamin C, you'll need 75 to 90 milligrams daily. Oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli are fantastic sources. Next, there's vitamin D. 600 to 800 IU is your target. Fatty fish, fortified milk, and even some good old sunshine will do the trick. Vitamin E is set at 15 milligrams per day. Think almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. For vitamin K, you need 90 to 120 micrograms. Load up on kale, spinach, and broccoli. Calcium is crucial. Aim for 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams. Dairy products, fortified plant milk, and tofu are your go-tos. Iron requirements vary, 8 to 18 milligrams per day. Red meat, lentils, and spinach have you covered here. Magnesium needs are set at 310 to 420 milligrams. Nuts, seeds, whole grains, and leafy greens are excellent sources. Zinc is 8 to 11 milligrams per day. Enjoy shellfish, meat, legumes, and seeds. Potassium, you'll need 2,500 to 3,000 milligrams. Bananas, potatoes, beans, and avocados are perfect. Omega-3 fatty acids 1.1 to 1.6 grams daily. Salmon, walnuts, and flax seeds will help you out. Lastly, for fiber, aim for 25 to 30 grams per day. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and legumes are key players. Now let's get into a sample menu that incorporates all these nutrients. Ready? For breakfast, try a smoothie with spinach, banana, Greek yogurt, almond milk, and chia seeds. Pair it with whole grain toast and avocado. Mid-morning, grab a handful of mixed nuts and a fresh orange. Lunch? How about grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli? Add a side salad of kale, cherry tomatoes, and olive oil dressing. In the afternoon, enjoy low-fat yogurt with sunflower seeds. For dinner, try roasted chicken breast with sweet potatoes and sautéed spinach. A bowl of lentil soup on the side is perfect. And for dessert, a dark chocolate square with walnuts. This diet emphasizes variety, nutrient density, and balance to support longevity and vitality. Remember, the perfect diet is applicable to both men and women. There are subtle differences in nutritional needs, like more iron for women and more potassium for men. So tailor your meals to meet these needs, and if you'd like more personalized advice, comment below. Stay healthy and keep thriving. See you next time.